Back to my channel once again. You are watching AI Made Simple, where we make technology, AI and online tools easy to understand. So if you are new here, consider subscribing and let's get started. In today's tutorial, I will show you 5 Android mistakes that could be slowing down your phone. Is your Android phone getting slower even though you haven't changed anything? Before you buy that your new phone, check these 5 mistakes. I'm going to show you exactly where to find them and what you can do about them. Number 1 on my list is too many apps running. How you can do that is you go to your setting, then you go to your battery, then you go to your background usage limits. Now I'm going to tap on sleeping apps or deep sleeping apps. So right now I'm going to be adding apps that I rarely used in order to stop too many apps running, right? So I'm going to tap on this plus sign now. For an example, I do not use these 4 apps that is displayed now, and I'm going to tap on them. Then I'm going to add it. So this shows that these apps will be put in what? Will be in sleeping apps. And you can also go to the deep sleeping apps, right? Then I'm going to tap on the plus button. The difference between the sleeping apps and the deep sleeping apps is because this, when you put them in the deep sleeping apps, they won't receive updates or notification. So I'm going to tap on this now. Then, like I said, I'm using this as an example. Then I'm going to tap on them. Then I'm going to add them, and that is how you can stop too many apps running. Number 2, phone storage almost full. You go to your setting, then you go to your device care. You tap on your device care, then you tap on the storage. Now, you are going to check how much storage is being used so you can see videos, documents, installation files, app, other files, images, audio files, compressed files, system and trash. These are all the storages is being used. So you can just delete unnecessary videos, download or apps. So for an example now, let me click on image here. So I'm going to be deleting some unnecessary images right now that I know that I won't use again. I might go to apps and just check on some apps that I know I do not use. Okay, since I don't usually use this, so I'm going to delete this. I'm going to uninstall this now. So just make sure that you delete unnecessary videos, download or apps that I know you don't use. Number 3, apps you do not use. So you go to your settings, then you go to your apps. You tap on your app, then all you have to do is pick an app you do not need. Okay, instead of just scrolling, you need to search for an app I don't usually use. So just Grok. As you know, Grok is not an app now that you have to pay for before you can use. So I don't normally use this now because I have another apps I do use. So I'm going to install it. That's how you can remove apps you do not use on your phone. Number 4 on the list, your phone has not been restarted. All you have to do is to swipe down. You tap on the power icon, which is this. You know, it depends on your Samsung model, right? Then you tap on the restart. Then you tap on the restart. So because I'm doing a screen recording, I won't be able to tap on the restart. But if you are watching this video, you should tap on the restart. Occasionally, restarts can clear temporary processes and refresh system resources. I hope you know that. So make sure that you occasionally restart your phone. Number 5, which is the last on the list, which is software is outdated. So the software of your Android or Samsung phone might be outdated depending on the model of your phone. How you can do that is to go to your setting, then you go to your software updates, which is always down. Then tap on the software update, then tap on download and install. Checking for updates. If an update is available now, it's going to show it to me. So I'm going to give it time. Now you can see your software is up to date. That is, I already updated mine. So if you haven't updated yours and your software is available, make sure you tap on the update. And that is it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to AI Admin Simple for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next one.